This video will deal with the wish list dashboard, which is your back end, your ability to actually administer your site. Once you've logged in, the very first thing you'll notice is your dashboard contains everything that you need to make modifications to your website. It also defines how many pages, posts, categories, etc. that you have currently existing, and whether or not anyone has left any comments on any one of your posts or pages, should you allow that. So let's take a little tour here. Your dashboard is composed of a variety of different things. At the very top, you have a band that allows you to make modifications to see your website. In other words, if you right click on Visit Site and choose to see this in another tab, you'll see your actual website and what it looks like. In this case here, we actually have a page, and we'll talk about that in a couple of minutes. But the home page actually displays whatever posts you have created. We can modify that for a website. The dashboard also provides you with the home page, which is what you see here. And by the way, this can be modified. So if I want to get rid of this welcome screen, I could just come up here to screen options. If I drop it down, anything with a check mark is visible. But I might decide that I really don't need to see all of that. So the welcome screen I don't need to see, and you notice it turns off right away. So you can modify these to your heart's content. And also how many columns. Right now I have 2. For the information about yourself, you have the ability to change your profile. That's also on the dashboard. And it's also located in another location. So you can change your password, you can change your email account, and also your designation and the color scheme you choose. In addition to that, we can create posts, upload media, link, create pages, create a website. We can even evaluate what comments somebody has left, the appearance, in other words, which particular theme we've chosen for our website, and you can have them literally on the spur of the moment. We'll talk about that a little bit more. Plugins which augment the ability of your website, and of course you may want to create some users so other people can log in and leave information. The tools we'll talk a little bit about, and also settings, because this area we do need to talk about. So the dashboard allows you to make configurational changes as you need to make them. I'm just going to turn this welcome off, and also I'm going to look at some of these other things here, and I'll turn off the news because I don't need that right now, and also the blog information. Excellent. So let's take a look at some of the characteristics inside of this, and we're going to set it up, because right now we're using just a basic information and we want to change it. So we're going to start off by looking at general.